Welcome back, travelers. In today's video, we have an exciting comparison of two popular brands of packing organizers, Pro Packing Cubes and eBags. Both brands offer a range of packing cubes that aim to keep your luggage organized and maximize space. Join us as we explore the features, benefits, and differences between Pro Packing Cubes and eBags. Let's dive in. Introduction to Pro Packing Cubes and eBags. Let's start by introducing Pro Packing Cubes and eBags. Pro Packing Cubes and eBags are well-known brands that specialize in creating packing organizers, specifically packing cubes. These cubes are designed to help travelers efficiently organize their belongings, making packing and unpacking easier.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Quality and durability. Both Pro Packing Cubes and eBags offer packing cubes made with high-quality materials. The cubes from both brands are durable and built to withstand the rigors of travel. They are often constructed with sturdy fabrics, reinforced seams, and reliable zippers to ensure longevity. Size options and variety. Pro Packing Cubes and eBags provide a range of size options to suit different packing needs. Both brands offer various cube sizes, from small to large, as well as specialty cubes such as shoe bags or toiletry kits. This variety allows you to choose the sizes and configurations that best fit your packing requirements. Organization and compression. Both Pro Packing Cubes and eBags excel in organizing your luggage. The cubes help categorize and separate your items, making it easier to find what you need without rummaging through your entire bag. Additionally, packing cubes, from both brands, offer some level of compression, allowing you to compress your clothes and maximize space in your luggage. Material and breathability. The choice of material and breathability is an important consideration for packing cubes. Pro Packing Cubes and eBags often use lightweight and breathable materials that allow air to circulate, preventing odors and keeping your clothes fresh. These materials help maintain the condition of your garments during travel. Design and aesthetics. When it comes to design and aesthetics, both Pro Packing Cubes and eBags offer stylish and functional options. The cubes from both brands often come in a variety of colors and patterns, allowing you to personalize your packing system and easily identify different cubes in your luggage. Customer reviews and final considerations. To gain insight into the user experience, we delved into customer reviews of Pro Packing Cubes and eBags. Users often praise the quality, durability, and organizational benefits of both brands. Some users may prefer the design or specific features offered by one brand over the other. It's important to consider your personal preferences and packing needs when making your decision. Packing Cube Design and Configuration Pro. Packing cubes and eBags may have different designs and configurations for their packing cubes. Pro Packing Cubes often feature a rectangular shape, allowing for easy stacking and maximizing space in your luggage. eBags, on the other hand, may offer a wider range of cube shapes, including square and slim options, providing more flexibility in fitting different items and luggage configurations. Price range and value. The price range of Pro Packing Cubes and eBags. Packing cubes may vary. Pro Packing Cubes often offer competitive pricing, providing good value for the quality and functionality they offer. eBags may have a slightly higher price range, reflecting their brand reputation and additional features. Consider your budget and the value you place on specific features when making your decision. Brand reputation and customer support. Both Pro Packing Cubes and eBags have established brand reputations in the travel organization market. Pro Packing Cubes are known for their focus on quality and practicality, while eBags are recognized for their innovative design and range of packing solutions. Additionally, it's worth considering the customer support provided by each brand, including warranty policies and responsiveness to customer inquiries or concerns. Overall, both Pro Packing Cubes and eBags offer reliable packing cube options to enhance your travel organization. With their quality, durability, variety, and organizational benefits, they are valuable additions to any traveler's packing arsenal. Consider your specific needs, preferences, and budget when choosing between Pro Packing Cubes and eBags. Thanks for joining us today, and happy packing!